What's going on, traders? What is going on? Power Hour. Welcome back to another live stream. If you're new, my name is Zach. This is Real Deal Futures. Before we hop onto the charts, take a look at my trading day today. Take a look at these straight to 7-pack that we are straight to funded pro 7-pack that I'm saying goodbye to today. Do a little post-mortem on those bad boys. Make sure you read what's on the screen. Trading's risky. Most traders do lose money. I'm not a financial advisor. I do not provide financial advice. Nothing I say or do is a suggestion or recommendation to do anything at all. Make sure you do your own research. Make your own trading decisions. Read CFTC Rule 4.41 on simulated trading, which is what this is. Even in funded prop firm accounts, and the affiliate and partnership disclaimer that says I stand to make money from links and codes in my content, like Top 1 Futures, code RDF, Bookmap, and others. Let's take a look. What's up, Wolf? What's up, JB? Choppy, man. Here's I'm going to start this one out, guys. I said I was going to make a YouTube video on it, but I'm just going to do it on the live session with you guys here. Talk about these straight to funded 7-pack. Here was my trade from this morning, ending up with a DLL. And this is the last one in these accounts. I stopped just short of hitting the MLL on these accounts. Specifically so I would be able to do this, to do the breakdown, look at the performance stats with you guys. Super choppy day. I was one and done. We didn't get the breakout here. We didn't get the breakout. Got stopped out here. I was like, this is going to be insanely painful to watch after I added in. Looking for this thing to continue the downside, but at very least, it's making me feel a little bit better that we are coming all the way back up through. But we're going to take a look at these bad boys. I usually don't break things down like this in my trading, but for these accounts, I am going to. I'm going to show you guys the full scope of these bad boys. This is the original straight to funded Sim Pro 7-pack from the day that they launched. I said I was going to trade these live with you guys every single day, and I did. Here is the P&L calendar starting in today's September, end of September. They made it all the way through. This is the end of the road for them. They're cooked. I think there's like $100 left before the MLL, so they're done today. They're done. But here's the monthly P&L calendar going week by week, trading them all the way through June, July, August, back and forth. Unfortunately, all the way into killing them. So I wanted to share like what I thought went well with these, what I thought went really poorly, and what you might take away if you're going to run the straight to funded Sim Pros. Try to work with an intraday trailing drawdown, the ESS score, all that fun stuff. And before I even start, is this how I wanted to spend 4 months of trading? Now I did a lot of trading outside of this, right? I'm trading instant funded accounts. I'll show you some of those. Trading the live account, right? Green and everything else outside of these bad boys for today. But, I wanted to be transparent to show you like the whole thing through and to just talk about it. Do I think this is a great use of time, trading accounts this slowly, this way, working towards a payout? If you're early on, if you're a beginner, these are 150Ks. I stood the chance to pull 3,500 from 7 of them at one time. That would be a pretty large payout. But for the most part, no. I traded these pretty damn slowly, held on to them for 4 months worth of trading, and ended up running them back and forth, all the way into drawdown and losing them. For the most part, I think this is too conservative. It's not typically how I trade, but if I stick my neck out and I say I'm going to do something, like trade a set of accounts all the way to pass or failure, I'm going to do that, and then I'm going to have the difficult day like today and show you when it's the failure. When it's the end of the road for them. Gnarly month this month, obviously running them into the ground after some back and forth, but not really a great performance out of these as a whole, right? Really back and forth, nearly break-even month here. Net red here with some pretty gnarly down days. As you can see, looking at the calendar, I set a personal daily profit target and a personal daily loss limit myself, and I stuck to that, which was $1,000 down. The max I was going to make on any one day was $1,700 green. These accounts had the 30% ESS. That would have kept me within the consistency rule, the 30% equity stability score, while working my way towards a payout. What I will tell you, definitely, what I definitely did not do well in these accounts, and the reason for so much of the back and forth and inevitably running them into the ground is on the front end, what you're looking at here in June when I first started trading them. And then really what I carried through was this fear of the intraday trailing drawdown, right? So unlike the instant funded accounts, even the Ignite automatic funded accounts, most of prop firms that you work with, these do have a tough rule on them. And it's the intraday trailing drawdown, which means as you make profit in the account, that max loss limit is trailing up with you on unrealized profit intraday. For me, I tried to approach that by really aggressively taking profit. And what that started to generate was this right here, right? A lot of small green days and then one big red day to wipe it out, right? I carried doing that for a little while in these accounts, and I really never took myself, until the end, away from focusing too heavily on that intraday trailing drawdown. So I think what I did well in these was manage risk, just how I was able to hold on to them for so damn long, even though we're ending up losing them today. What I did poorly, I believe, was focus too heavily on the intraday trailing drawdown. I think if you're going to trade with an intraday trailing drawdown, you have to account for it. You have to decide how you're going to drag stops, how you're going to manage risk so you don't run yourself into profit and then, back down and then back and forth, inevitably lose the account somehow in profit because of that intraday trailing drawdown. But you can't go so far to one extreme where you're going to end up with a super positive win rate and a really negative risk to reward, right? Where you're going to be taking small wins and then big L's. Because that's just, not going to be helpful. So didn't have the win rate and the risk to reward to carry these through to the end. They are cooked. It's a wrap on these guys for sure. Just to give you guys the full scope, also, which I, don't usually yap this much about accounts, but got to do the postmortem on these. I've got 250K instant fundeds. I've cooked the 50Ks that I've had. I only had a 3-pack of them, trading them individually. Took a payout from one before I cooked it. The other two, I traded really aggressively to get myself in this situation because I really want to focus on these 150K instant funded accounts. I've got 2 of them now that are doing okay, especially this one that I started at the beginning of the month. Now, my goal on these is not to take a payout, right? I'm approaching a payout qualification in this one just by a couple $100, although I wouldn't meet the consistency score because I put up $2,000, a little over $2,000 on a couple days. But in these specifically, I'm looking to scale these. I'm looking to scale them up, not to take a payout, to get past the $15,000, $18,000 mark in a P&L and get called to a live account. That's my game plan with these accounts. So I'm going to be adding one back in to trade. I'll be rotating, trading these individually pretty aggressively, more aggressively than I would trade a copy traded account or accounts that I was just trading towards a payout, because I'm going to have to build that buffer and I'm going to need to scale pretty quickly, right? These are going to need to go nearly double the profit target for a normal payout in order to get kicked to a live account with a max amount, which would be $15,000 from any one account. So that's the game plan on these. I have one of these bad boys that essentially I'm not really going to focus on at all, the Ignite automatic funded. Put $1,000 in it today, but I'd have to put up like 10 grand at this point because of the ESS score. So this one's going to get cooked. We'll probably trade this live today, just have fun with it. But that's the game plan. These are done. These are going to be gone tomorrow. I'll cook them probably off stream, or maybe I'll cook them with you guys on stream. We'll get rid of them. Part of it, part of the game. It was fun to trade them. I would have liked a success at the end of all this to get a payout from this 7-pack. But I will say the intraday trailing drawdown is tough. That intraday trailing drawdown is definitely tough on those bad boys. End of day trailing drawdown on these gives you much more flexibility, especially with no daily loss limit. But being able to work intraday, let your trades run, really not have to worry about that max loss limit creeping up on you as you are holding your trades in profit, I think is an advantage of these instant funded. So we're gonna trade one of these bad boys live. Actually, you know what? Should we do it? Yeah, I took this was the postmortem. This was it. So we're gonna go ahead and take the trade on these ones, man, and probably bury them. Get ready to watch. Unfortunately, watch the all of them get cooked. I'm happy to do it live with you guys here. Not super stoked to do it, but I've got $100 left in them. I'm not going to dig this back out of drawdown. I've traded it well enough all the way up until this point. held on to them. Oh, you know what? I'm going to take screenshots of these. I'm not going to do it. I got to take screenshots of the P&Ls and everything and all of the, because you lose them. Once they go, you totally lose them. So I'll trade this one just for fun. We'll run it back into the ground. We'll run it up. We'll do whatever we want to do with it. But we'll try to take some actual trades, even though I'm essentially max profit where I want to be in the instant fundeds. I'm not going to load another one up right here, right now, but we'll trade this one just for fun. But yeah, that's the postmortem. Unfortunately, on those accounts, I think they're a great option for someone that can work in an intraday trailing drawdown. Work with an intraday trailing drawdown well. If you if you find yourself with some experience doing that, I think they're a less expensive option. You're able to copy trade more of them. If you want just a different set of accounts to trade, I think that's a solid play. But my goal is a live account. I've made it to consistent payouts with prop firms. I've been paid out from Top One, from other prop firms, right? My goal now is to make it to one individual live account. I'm going to do that. I'm going to try to do that aggressively, as quickly as I can without having a time limit on it. But try to do that really aggressively, trading individual accounts with more risk. But that's part of it. So happy to be transparent. I don't have to show you guys this stuff. I don't have to yap about it. I don't have to tell you when $1 million in funding is getting cooked. But I think that's important. I think it's important to talk about goals and, why you do what you do, right? For reference, for example, and I'll throw this in Discord or something like that because I can't dox my live account number. I'm trading live accounts, right? Decent sized live accounts. For example, today, $1,140 in profit, right? If you're trading accounts where you're standing to make, 5+ figures a week, a day, to do that in prop firms by way of payouts, I think you have to either get really aggressive and copy trade a lot of them, really burning through them, or decide to work yourself towards a live account. And I think the more sustainable, reasonable way to do this is to try to get myself into a live account. Will I? That's the next goalpost for myself. That's what I'm going to do live with you guys here. Trade the 150K instant fundeds aggressively. I'm going to try not to blow through too many of them. I'm going to try not to lose too many of them, but the amount of risk that I'm going to put on they will not all survive, right? If you're trying to put up, for example, $18,500, which would be a perfect number to take a payout and then get kicked to a live account, but let's just say over $1,500, you're 3xing the account. You have $4,500 of drawdown to work with to start, and you're going to try to 3x the account, right? It's not an easy task, right? And you're not going to do that quickly at all without risking blowing that account and starting from scratch. Now, do you have to do that? No. And there's definitely within reason, right? Top One's not going to be cool with anybody just ripping through accounts. You're going to get flagged for sim farming doing something like that. But I'm not talking about, dozens and dozens of accounts in a month or even close to something like that. As you can see by the 7-pack that I traded for 4 effing months all the way into the ground. But that's the thought process. That's the thought process, guys. That's the postmortem. Happy to do it with you guys. I'll probably clip that so we can share that. But let's see. What's up, chat? Fired. When do you now? Don't know what that is. Run 4 MES, Zach. It'll be fun. No trying to dig those back. That was it. That was it. Welcome back. That's what I'm up to now and down. I've learned. Maybe I say beginning of July, break even 500. Burn 1 or 2 accounts. Learning, sure. Maybe 5 or 6. Who knows? Down on the day. Should stick to my idea. What's up, everybody? Welcome back. Yeah. So let's see. That was a lot of yapping. I wanted to do that. That was the postmortem on those. Super green day overall outside of those accounts in every single one that you see me pull up. 3,000 in one of the instant fundeds, over 2K, 1,000 in these one, green in the live account. Nothing too crazy in that live account, but can't complain about $1,000 days getting put up back to back. The morning accounts, not too hot. Anyway, let's see what we got going on here for ES. Straight chop today. Looking at this CVD, I could see us potentially continuing. Again, I'm gonna run this one. This account I don't care about. I'm not gonna try to work myself towards a payout in it. I'm just gonna have fun with it at this point. I'll trade it with you guys here. We'll put some risk on. You know, we'll see if we can't run it up for no good reason at all. So you know, you could tell by the way that I'm talking about it. I'm not looking at this afternoon too seriously. But I could see longs in play here, man. 3,500 on CVD. This is running from this morning. Choppy back and forth expansion. And then on this push to the upside, a lot of buyers driving this thing higher, right? Obviously, finally breaking out of this range. 3 p.m. getting ready to come in here. If I had to take a trade, gun to my head, it would be long. That's what I think I'm going to do in these. I think I'm just going to run this long into the close. I could see a reversion here, potentially just coming right back down. Right back down into this range, but so far looking pretty strong. Let's take a look at this. Nah, prior day value area high, testing this. I'm gonna get short on these. I know I just said long. I'm gonna get short on these, man. We got to grow in CVD, but I don't think that we completely run to the upside. Could go and run towards the 6750s, like all the way up there. But I'm gonna look for this to push a little bit higher into this area and look to grab a short. Prior day value area. Yeah, I'm gonna short this thing. I'm gonna short it all the way back down to the top of this range. That's my game plan. Either that or we go run prior day high. Ooh. $67.30s. Yeah, let me see if we get a little bit more of a push out of this bad boy. I'll wait for this 3 p.m. Eastern candle, the start of power hour to print, and see what we can do on this one. Let me give this a second to breathe. I like it. I like it short off a value area high for this crap continuing. But we're going to have to see. But appreciate you guys hopping on. What's up, Wolf? What's up, JB? What's up, Andrew? What's up, Middle Rock? Daily Tail, Small Fish. What's up? What's up? Train with Luhan. What's up? Do you care if a 4-hour candle doesn't have a top wick created yet? No, I don't. I don't care. Can't focus on everything. Can't focus on everything. But that might be a good. Note for you. You know. Nice. Brian, what's up, dude? Just did the postmortem on the 7-pack of straight to fundeds. That's a wrap for those bad boys. You know what? Let's have fun on this one, guys. Like I said, this account's not doing anything that I really care about. I'm not working towards a payout. Here's what we're gonna do. Gonna have fun on this one up here. I'm gonna let you guys vote. We're gonna vote on a trade here, and if you hit the win, let me think about this for a second. This is for your straight to fund. May they rest in peace. Oh yeah. Honestly, I don't want to sound terrible about it, but it's a sigh of relief, man. It's a sigh of relief. Here's what we're gonna do. Chat. We're gonna have fun on this power hour. Since I'm max profit in my instant fundeds. Showed them earlier. If you guys missed the deal, here's where we're at. I usually don't cycle through accounts and just kind of talk about it for forever. These are killed. These are the ones I've been trading for 4 months. If you want to go back to the original video, I went through all the performance stats, all this fun stuff. Unfortunately, these are dead. I've got 250Ks right now. I got to load up a third one. This bad boy is max profit. This one's close, not enough that I want to risk it or push it any further out. This 50K Ignite automatic funded, I'm already over the amount that I should make, and I've lost more than I should make. So this is a fun one. So here's what we're going to do. Short the F out of ES, see if they survive. Yeah. It's like a, let me take the screenshots. I got like $100 left in them, like $100 left in them. Here's what we're going to do, guys. We're going to have fun in this account, right? Long or short? Here's what we're going to do. Long or short, from this level, 5-point take profit, 5-point stop. From whenever we finish this poll in about 60 seconds. If you guys hit this trade in these accounts, which I will put like $1,000 worth of risk, so we either make or break this one, we'll run a giveaway. You guys hit this account, you guys hit this win, we'll run a giveaway. Again, this is not real trading, right? This is kind of like the afternoon fun stuff. Super duper choppy day. I'm not going to put any more risk on. I'm green across all of the other ones outside of those straight to funded sim pros. I thought I might cook them on here with the live, but I want to take screenshots of all of that, all of the performance stats and stuff, because they go away and you lose it in Project X as soon as you kill them. So I don't want to waste time doing that. But, all right, long 70%. Never get a chance to be here. What's up? Yeah, hit the short. What you get here with those accounts. We're going to do it right now. 67% long. Okay. Guys, vote on that. We're going to take a 5-point stop, 5-point take profit trade. If you guys hit it, we will do a giveaway. If you lose, maybe I'll give you a second shot. We'll run another one. We'll run a giveaway if you hit the second one. Go ahead, vote. I'm going to give you guys 30 seconds from right now. Trade's getting entered at 3:04. We're going to have some fun. Let's see what you can do, chat. Let's see what you could do. It's going to be a 5-point take profit, 5-point stop. You guys tell me if it's going to be long or short. We'll run it right from here. Where do you think we're headed? Going to mark it in. 62% long. You guys aren't really decisive with this. Come on, man. What are we thinking here? Let's go. 10 more seconds before we're hopping in. We're going to run this with, yeah, let's run it with 2. Looks like long is the play. Here we go, chat.
Order filled.
In long. We're going to run a 5-point stop, 5-point take profit. Bam. Bam. Let's see if you guys can hit it. No more votes. If you hit this one, we're running a duck race. I might even run a second one so you guys can run a second duck race. You lose this one, I'm going to give you a second shot. But this is going to be chat community trading. Here, let me make a note here so we don't. Not real trading. What am I going to put? Chat call and trades. There we go. Chat call and trades today. This way we know we're not taking this one too seriously. Let's see, guys. Let's see. You wanted long on this one from prior day value area high. Finding some overhead resistance here, guys. I don't know. Still 62% long. Here, let's end the poll. You guys called it long. We're gonna run another one. It's gonna be for a follow-up trade. Let's see what we can do here, chat. Let's see what we can do here. We'll have some fun here for Power Hour, man. Again, I said I wanted to run Power Hour. I'm pretty much maxed out on where I want to be with trading for the day outside of this account, which we'll have some fun in, which is why you guys are sending it. We'll full port it after this. We'll have some fun. Short was the play. Let's see. I don't know. Still early, Purple Ninja. We'll see. We'll see. Get ready to vote on the next one, guys. As soon as this one hits, we're gonna run it again. We're gonna run long versus short. You guys, I'll give you guys 2 shots. If you take 2 L's, there's no giveaway. There's no giveaway if you take 2 L's. We're going to have to end this one in profit. We're going to have to end this one in profit. Here, I'll do this. That's what we'll do. We'll have fun here today, guys. Appreciate you guys hopping on for Power Hour. I was talking about those accounts. We'll see if this thing runs into profit. I was talking about those accounts. If you want to trade the same accounts that I'm going to be now trading live with you guys and really focusing on exclusively, these are the ones, the instant funded accounts. Code RDF is going to get you 45% off. This deal ends tomorrow. These are the end of day trailing drawdown accounts. I'm going to be working on the 150Ks individually, looking to work myself towards a live account with top 1 futures. That's going to be the play. That's going to be the play. You want to check it out? Let me throw the link in the chat, actually. Oh, let's see, chat. Let's see. Looks like it might be a TP. I don't know. A little early to call. You guys voted long on this one. If you missed it, I repeat myself 100 times on here because people hop on. We got more and more people hopping on. Nobody knows what the hell is going on. Why is Zach trading a 50K Ignite account with a 5-point stop loss, 5-point take profit for Power Hour? We're having fun. We did a postmortem on a couple accounts. We did a little review. And now we are going to be full porting this account in 5 seconds here. We'll throw 5 minis on after this. You guys will call one more out. We'll see if we can't run up big profit right into to MOC. Let's see. If you guys hit the TP, we'll run a giveaway. If you hit a stop loss, I'll give you a second shot. Soon TP hit Zach. Today's an even day. Long, send it. There you go. Love Power Hour. Yeah. Power Hour is interesting, man. I was talking a little bit about it. It's a lot of pressure to trade this, right? Like we have 50 minutes, 50, before the end of NYSE session. An hour from now, 4:10 p.m. before you're absolutely done. You're taking out of positions in your prop accounts. So it adds a layer of pressure, right? To like get a trade, to find one, to put something on crazy. And I think it could be a good volatile time of the day to trade if you need to find those trades. But that layer of pressure, I think, can be dicey to work with, right? Not only are you trying to pick a direction, figure out how you want to structure risk, you need it to now play out in like an hour or less, right? So when I'm picking out trades in the morning, right, when I'm searching for things, pre-market, when I do my swing stuff or, day trading with you guys in the morning, I'm not like, this needs to work or I potentially am going to lose money in 1 hour. Like you don't have a timer on it, right? No. What is Power Hour? Power Hour is right now. Power Hour is the last hour of NYSE session. Hope to see some YM streams. Polly, what's up? Yeah, we'll talk YM. I'll watch this play out and I'll show you the long I got filled on today. But I trade YM really simply. It could be distilled down to limit buy and sell orders above and below price outside of key areas of interest. So for today, to the upside, I went really wide on the short. It was more like a high volume area. I don't think it was a point of control, which I also use prior days or a couple days ago on like an untested point of control. To the downside, it was just a sweep below the current session low, Asia London low. That's what I was looking for. I got filled on that, and took me to the promised land. But it's pretty simple. Pretty simple. It's like binary option, but worse. Yeah, it's tough. It's tough. Power hour, right? It's a time limit. So let's see. You know what, Polly, for you guys, if we take a win or loss on this one, we'll run a YM trade after this, or I'll let you guys vote. We'll let you vote on what you want to trade next. We're doing take profit or stop loss for giveaway or nothing. That's what we got going on. I'm gonna give you guys two shots. Harry, you know what? Let's do it. Nice WYM. Thank you, man. Yeah. Now we'll run it right now. Long or short YM? Let's go for it, guys. Polly, you asked for it. I'm not even gonna wait for the ES trade to hit or miss. Call it out, guys. Long or short YM. You guys hit a TP on either one of these. That's what we'll do. You hit a TP on either one of these, we will run a giveaway for a 50K straight to funded instant funded account. Straight to funded account from Top One Futures. Go ahead. We'll have some fun on this one. Oh, you guys are looking to hedge it. I see what you got going on here. Short. I'll give you 30 seconds. Go ahead, vote. We'll throw another trade on this one. We'll have some fun today. Short 71%. Let's see. Do you use other tools platforms for volume market profile? I do. If you guys hopped on late, we're having fun today. We got the chat calling out trades to see if we can't get a giveaway rolling. You guys want short on YM? That's what we're going for. We're gonna do another. Oh, this can't be 5-point though. Let's go for a 25-point, something like a 25-point stop and take profit. Ready? Yeah, you guys want a short.
Order filled.
All right, guys. We're in. You got two chances to win. You got a long rolling on ES. You got a short rolling on YM. I don't think this is personally a great way to trade, but you guys voted for it, so we're going to have some fun today. But somebody asked, do I use other volume profile tools? Here's really what I like to do, right? I like my visible range volume profile over here on the right-hand side when we're not taking dumbass chat trades. Chat calling trades, right? What I'd like to do is draw out a session volume profile, prior day value area high, point of control, value area low, if I even mark it, right? I'm marking it because I'm a little bit more zoomed in on the US indices. But sometimes, like on TradingView, I'll just run session volume profile and I'll get this information day in and day out. Outside of that, overnight high and low, prior day high and low, and prior week high and low. That's what I do for volume profile. Last but not least, bookmap over here. Cumulative volume delta, pretty helpful as far as volume goes. I don't really use the volume profiles here on bookmap, although they might be useful to some. Power hour. Is it the time of the day when gym people trade? Just kidding. It's 3 p.m. to 4 p.m. Yes. All right, guys. You went short. You went long ES and short YM. So we got a bit of a hedge going on here in the U.S. indices. Now, somebody was asking that. I don't really think you would win at all long term. Like just looking to hedge, I don't think you would end break even at all. And I'm not talking about hedging in the prohibited sense of doing it in a prop account on the same instrument or something like that. But on U.S. indices that are often not correlated at all. So you guys, we're going to see how it plays out right here, right? We went long ES here, about 10 minutes ago. Short on YM. Let's see. We need one W to run a giveaway. One W. I think you guys should get it. You know what? Let's see. Since you went long and short, here's what I'm going to step it up a notch. Since you went long versus short here, we're going to have to run, I think, at least one more. You're going to have to at least end, if you end break even on these, right? If you end break even on these, it's not really going to be worth anything. So I think we're going to have to at least run one more, but we'll have some fun with it. How'd you guys end up today? Let me know in chat. How'd you guys do? Tough morning session for me as far as ES goes. Green across the board in other accounts. ES, man, just really not playing too nice with me off the open. It's been difficult to work with for sure. But that's part of it. Part of the game. And Q, bit of a pullback, small loss, tough morning. Took a break, good recovery in the afternoon. Nice. Yeah, man, this market's been tough, man. This not to complain, but this right here, that's a tough one, man. If you are a range trader, this I think was a range trader's dream today, right? You really could have cleaned up if you were a straight up range trader. Everybody outside of that just love trading a flat VWAP. I think you probably had a tough break today. This for a fake out to the upside, fake out to the downside, just continual expansion. Although he didn't really sweep lows right here. This is tough, man. It's really tough. So I feel for you if you had a tough day. Let me keep this in screen. If you guys hopped on late, we're having some fun here for Power Hour. I'm either max loss or max profit in the other accounts. We got chat calling out trades. You guys are voting on them. You went long in ES, short in YM. Pally asked about YM, so we're having some fun. We got some Discord OGs in here calling out trades. Having some fun for Power Hour. The deal is, if you guys hit a W, I said win, but now you went short versus long. If we hit a W, I'm gonna make you take one more. I'm gonna make you take at least one more because I think you're probably just gonna end break even. We're gonna have to put some profit in the account. If you hang out long enough, we'll probably just end up doing a giveaway either way. If I'm being really honest, since we're just having fun. On ES, we have higher highs as well as lower lows. Yeah, dude, this was tough, man. This was tough, right? Higher highs and lower lows, right? Expansion. We talk about different kind of market conditions. Not to get rid of the trade, but let's do it down here. Right? I think you guys can see this. Right, here's going to be our uptrend. Higher highs, higher lows. We all know that, right? We should have this down so far if we're actually trading, putting any risk on. Here's our downtrend, right? And we kind of have two different types of ranges, right? Oh, three. You got your nice even range, your nice back and forth, respecting highs and lows, right? Coming right down, getting really close. And then you have your expanding range, right? You have your come down, sweep the low, come all the way back up, take the high out, come all the way back down, take the low out, don't continue, come all the way back out, take the high out. That's the most dangerous, right? Wolf calls it the megaphone. A couple of you guys call it the megaphone pattern, right? Expanding to the upside and downside. That I think can be really dangerous, right? Could take traders all day for a loop, right? And then you kind of have the Dorito pattern, right? Used to trade with Dobie on Top Step TV. This is going to be your Dorito pattern, right? Contracting, right? You're not coming up and breaking highs. Ooh, looks like we might hit a TP on this ES trade.
Order filled.
Oh. What the hell is that? You hit a W on ES. Somehow you made money. You hit a W on ES, and I think that was an L. Was it? Yep. 250 down on, yeah, you ended up making money, guys. 250 down on YM. Green on ES. Let's go for one more, chat. I think you guys can do it. I think you guys can handle it. ES long or short, call it out now. Everybody in the chat, spam it. Last chance. Full port. 5 minis on this account. We're going to go 5-point stop, 5-point take profit. Call it out. NQ next? You guys want to do NQ? Long. Prior day high, long. All right, we're going to run it long. Here we go, guys.
Order filled.
5 minis. Full port. We're going to go with a $1,500 profit, $1,500 stop loss. That's going to be about, I'm an idiot when it comes to math. That's going to be about is it 6 1/4 point stop? We're full porting accounts here. Again, guys, we're having fun. This is for Power Hour. We're in profit here on a 50K Ignite automatic funded account. Go back to the beginning of this video if you want to get my postmortem on the 7-pack of straight to sim funded pro accounts and my game plan for trading the instant funded accounts. Goal of getting moved live after getting consistent with payouts and props, trading a live account, all that fun stuff. We are long. Let's go. Let's see. You guys all wanted long. Let's see. Can you do it? Full port long on the 50K Ignite automatic funded account. You're in profit already. Can we grab the W? I don't know. I should just let you guys trade, man. Y'all are Purple Ninja. Guess I was wrong. Yeah, man. I mean, this market's looking strong into the end of the day. I don't know. We broke out. We did retest right in here. I don't know, chat. What do you think? Let me know. This is between you guys and Chair. It would have already been W on NQ. Did NQ pop? Damn it. You see, we didn't move fast enough. Yeah, maybe. Let's see. 3:22 p.m. Can you guys get the pop all the way up towards the, yeah, I think we're going to the 35s. I think you could see it happen. You already took a W, though. No complaints. This is for a duck race, guys. This one's the last one. This one's for a 50K instant funded account. Can you guys hit it? Let's see. I think if you hang out long enough, we're going to run a duck race anyway, but we'll see. Oh, man. What a day. What a day. Let's see. Oh, man, I had the P&Ls jacked up the whole time. Nobody even said anything. Sorry, guys. I didn't realize I had the P&Ls jacked up the whole time up here. It was important because I showed the P&Ls like 1,000 times. So, anyway, we'll see. Long all day. I don't know, guys. We'll see. Damn, you all are heavy on it. Who said short? JB. All right, we got one Sabaru trader. I'm sorry, Saraba trader. Yeah, we got some ninjas on the we got some samurai vibes going on my background. I like to try to cultivate that warrior mindset here on the charts. When you hit TP, move stop loss to break even. Well, if we hit take profit, we're out. No stop loss to break even. Never, Yassine. Ride or die. No, we're having fun. You guys got to go one way or the other. You can't go break even. Actually, you know what? Nah, it's not. I mean, what's the fun in that? Then we're just going to have to re-enter something. No. I don't know. So far, you guys did pretty good. So far, you guys took the W on ES. The YM short didn't pay, but we were lighter on risk there. This is the big one. Short ES 6730. It's too late. ICT macro time. We're long. We're long through the 6730s. I don't know, man. Trail stop using the parabolic XR. Nah, man, that's way too complicated, man. That's crazy. That's crazy. Close the trade and profit account. Done. Do the giveaway. No, nope. You guys got to work for it. You got to work for it. NQ's popping. I don't know. I think you're going to have to work for this one, guys. You're going to have to run it all the way to the take profit. Let's see. Can we do it? Can we do it, chat? I don't know. You guys hit this one. We might have to do like a community chat account, like where we just take like trades from the chat, from you guys calling it out. This might actually hit. And like if we hit a payout or we run it into profit, we'll donate it or we'll do a giveaway for it or something. I don't know. Let's see. Getting close. $1,000 in profit. Trading 61, 30, 67, 31 and a half, 31 and a quarter. We got a target at 67, 33 and 3/4. Yes, that'll be fun. Only full port accounts. House account. Yeah, but it won't be a house account. It'll be a chat account. It'll be just you guys in the chat calling out full port trades. It'll be we'll hop on. What could we do? We'll hop on, and if I go no trade for the day, we'll take a full port, long or short. We'll have to preset like the risk parameters, right? It'll have to be like, you know, if it's like a 150K account, maybe it's like $1,000 risk per day, right? Win or loss, even take profit, even stop loss, and we run it. We'll do something fun like that. I think that would be pretty fun. That'd be pretty fun. And then if you guys win, we'll do a giveaway for like the entire payout, something like that. I gotta come up with the structure for this though, because this could get a little bit ridiculous. But so far you guys be doing pretty good. Not bad. Let's see. Only full port that account. 2 more points to go. Let's see. Can you guys do it, chat? We'll get the ducks loaded up. Let's see. Yeah, again, we got more and more people hopping on. If you hopped on late, we're having fun. We are not trading seriously this afternoon. You can go back to the beginning of the video, check out the recap on the straight to sim fundeds, where I'm at with some instant fundeds today, live account, and where I'm at with this account, which is just having fun. Oh, chat, you guys got close on that one. I don't know, man. What was this? Whoa, we don't want to do that. Was it 1 3/4 point, 1.5 points? Oh no, chat, it's coming back on you. Let's see. But yeah, we were having chat call out trades, having you guys call out trades for fun. Where's the price range? Oh, 1.5 points to that take profit, guys. We were almost there. We were almost at that duck race. I think you guys got it. I think we're going to see the 35s. I think you guys got this. Darn pullback. Yeah, so if you're logging on out of respect, right? Because I like to keep things serious here. Not 99% of the time because we run duck races. But I'd say 80% of the time we're keeping things pretty serious and we're not just doing dumb trades and accounts for fun. But today we are. I said I wanted to hop on. I'm a man of my word. We're on here. We're going to do a fun giveaway. But if you're looking for serious trades, setups, and ideas, it's probably not the stream right now. Outside of the chat, I mean, you guys called this one out. Zach's a nice person. He'll run the race anyway. It's probably true, Wolf. TP is closer than SL. Yeah. Yeah, man. It's long, man. Long this market all the way up towards prior day high. Trading 67.31 and a quarter. This looks pretty good, man. This looks pretty good. We got some more to the upside here. I don't know, chat. I don't know. What do we need? 33 3/4? Oof, just to crack through this liquidity, and you guys got it. Just to crack through liquidity, and we got it. Zach, maybe save those accounts for trading NFP. Would they let you do that? Yeah. Yeah, you could trade anything you want. No, the straight to sim fundeds are done. Straight to sim fundeds are cooked. Oh, chat, this looks pretty good. Can you guys do it?
Order filled.
Oh, man. W's for you, guys. Throw the W's in the chat for yourself. W's for anybody that called out long. That was throw hella W's in the chat. No trading by my part on this this stream so far. Chat, you guys are on fire. You guys are on fire. All right. I'm gonna go one further. It's 3:30 p.m. I'm gonna go one further. One further if you're still on here. Do you guys want to double or nothing this? You guys want to you know what? You actually won two. You want to you want to double or nothing this? I'll make it fun for you. Here's the degeneracy. Let's see how degenerate you guys really are. You guys run one more trade. You get to call it out, long or short. Full port, $1,500 take profit, $1,500 stop. Double or nothing. It's for 2 duck races, and I'll run a third. I'll run a third for $100 cash. So it'll be 3 duck races total. So far, you have 1 duck race. You already won. You guys hit multiple take profits. You're getting the duck race for the instant funded account. Here we go. Everybody vote in the chat right now. Triple or nothing, one more trade, or run the duck race. Throw duck race or a number 3 in the chat. Take a vote. Take a vote. Imagine we do this every day and get to a payout. I think I don't know. Top one might yell at me. Top one might yell at me. I don't know if I would be allowed to do it. All right, let's go. Triple or nothing, guys. Throw a 3 in the chat if you want to take another trade and run this thing up and see if you can't take a third win and run multiple duck races and cash, or run the duck race right now. Oh my gosh, you guys are, oh my God, you're degenerates. Everybody says 3. Everybody said 3. All right, let's go. Let's go. All right. Here we go. Everybody says 3. Everybody's in for the triple or nothing. Here we go. We're trading ES. It's going to be another full port, long or short, $1,500 take profit, $1,500 stop. Here we go. Long or short. Here we go, guys. Let's run it. You have... It's going to be entered in literally 2 minutes. Actually, you know what? We're going to enter it at 3:35. 3:35. You guys have 1 minute to answer this. Vote now, long or short. It's going to be entered at 3:35. It's going to be 5 contract, long or short, on ES. Get ready, guys. Come on. Vote it. You guys want a triple or nothing. Speak now or forever hold your peace. Short. Okay. 3:35. You guys got about 30 seconds. Short says 60%. Triple or nothing. Can you guys do it? Yeah, and we're going to have to do a chat account. Let's see, guys. Let's see. 30 seconds. 30 seconds. We're going to get ready for a market short. Looks like the vote is for short. 56%, 59%. What are you guys doing? You can't make up your mind. So everybody still says short. This is for triple or nothing. We're going to either go multiple duck races, end cash, or we're going to lose the chance to run the 1 duck race. You guys voted for it. You're a bunch of degenerates here in chat. 3:35. It says short.
Order filled.
We're filled short. We are running $1,500 take profit, $1,500 stop loss. Can we run it? You guys called out short. Look at the chat, Yassine. I don't know. Everybody called out short. What are we going to do? I think you guys can do it. I have faith in you, chat. This is actually more fun than I thought it would be. But this is just chat trades. Remember, guys, this is for fun. You shouldn't be following along at all at home at any point. But this is literally just random, having fun to see if we can run some more duck races. Let's see if you guys can hit it. You went triple or nothing. I think you guys might do it. I think we're running hella duck races today. We're in short from 67.32. Target at 67.26. Stop at 67.38. You won twice on the ES longs. Can you now win? Can you now win on the short? Let's see. Weird how having fun equals winning. Yeah, I mean, I don't know. Y'all are voting for it, so we got some heavy hitters in the chat, I guess. I don't know. But weird how you guys can call out trades and full port accounts straight to W's. Let's see if we can do it. This will be the 4-hour top wick. Win or lose, I'm with you, chat. Let's see. Market's going to prior day high. All right. Yassine says up. Let's see it, guys. I have faith. And guess what? If you guys win this, if we do the duck races, we're only going to do it right now. I'm going to call it out right now so you guys can prepare with people in the chat. I'm not even going to do a form. We're going to do it with names in the chat. You have to be here. You have to have called out the trades. You have to have actually been here and participating. That's what I'm going to do it on. It's going to be a very, very, very small number of you. It's going to be really, really, really good odds of winning. ESS score is going to be way too impossible. Yes, it is, guys. This is for fun. Like I said, this account, I'm not trading this one seriously at all. You would never want to put this much profit in a 50K Ignite a funded account with the ESS score. It does not make sense to do. Great point. Important to note, right? That's why we're just having fun with this one. It wouldn't make sense to put up $3,000 in this account. It's completely unnecessary. We're literally past the profit target. The profit target on this account is $2,500. So it doesn't make sense to do it. But we're having fun. Like I said, we're having fun on this one. And letting you guys full port trades until we run a duck race. But y'all all wanted triple or nothing. You wanted triple or nothing, so we're in on it now. Let's see. Nice to see you here this time. Yeah, appreciate it. No, don't do that. Don't do that. Get 1,000 traders in here to see some accuracy. I don't know. Nice to see you here this time. Going to the target. We'll see. Don't worry. Going to hit the take profit. Again, shorts juicy. You know what we're doing. You know what we're doing if you guys hit take profit again. I'm gonna give you guys the opportunity. We'll go quadruple or nothing. No. You plan to do power hour often? Yeah. And when I do, more often than this. And when I do, I'm not just gonna be doing dumbass things like I'm doing right now. Okay, guys. This is pure entertainment. Like I said multiple times, I don't really find it useful to be doing silly things like this on stream. If I find myself in a situation where I said I was going to come on multiple times and then I'm ending up with accounts that I just don't really have opportunity to trade and the market's trash, maybe we'll have some fun and we'll give some accounts away. But it's worth noting. Let's trade till MOC. Every winning trade equals a duck race. Yeah, not doing that. Yeah, we said power hour. Watch the stream from work. RDF reversal challenge. Yeah, there you go. Friday fun time, right? Get chat and eval account. I think we're gonna have to, Joe. You guys are crushing it. What if it chops until market close? I don't think so. I think you guys are gonna hit MOC on this one. At very least, I think we're gonna hit a take profit or a stop. Fill form, bro. I don't know what that means. We got at least 1 hour. What do you mean? Yeah. So Alan said RDF reversal challenge. Here's a fun fact, guys. I don't know if you know. I used to trade on Top Step TV quite often. It was really cool. I got invited on. I got introduced to them, so I shouldn't say I just got invited on out of the blue. Got introduced to them. Was able to start trading on there. It's pretty cool. I was on Power. I was on first Power Players, then Power Hour multiple times, then Back to the Futures, and then Fast Markets a couple times. It was actually fun. I was on Fast Markets for Halloween last year. Dressed up in a costume. You can go back and watch that one. Chat, are you going triple or nothing, chat? I don't know. ES selling off. Can you do it? Chat? I think you can do it. Here we go. You guys had an option, just so you guys know if you hopped on late. We're having chat call out trades, having fun here. I said if you guys hit take profits, we'd run a duck race, we'd give an account out. I said triple or nothing. We would run 2 duck races for accounts to get given away. One of them being a 50K instant funded account, and a third for $100 cash. Which I'm going to have to find a better way because I keep having the same people end up trying to scam me out of cash. So I'm going to have to find a way to do that. I don't want to go back on my word, but maybe we'll do another account or something. Let's see, chat. You are almost there for the take profit. Everybody want a short on ES here? Triple or nothing. Oh, is it going to do it? Oh, my God. Sorry, not taking the Lord's name in vain. Oh my gosh, right to the take profit. No, Phil! Chat! Oh no! Oh no, chat, what happened here? We traded down to the tick! You didn't get to Phil? Come on, don't do that to us, chat. Don't do that. Don't do that to us, ES. Come on. We traded down to the low of the take profit here. My hands are off. It's rigged. It's literally rigged. I don't know. The market makers are watching. Can you guys do it? Come on. Come on, man. What's the chance that low doesn't get taken out? What's the chance that low doesn't get taken out? Chat, I think you might have to feel this pain. I think you guys might have to feel this pain. Oh man, this is not going to be good. This is not going to be good. Everybody was doing so hot. All right, here we go. Like, listen, man. If I was a betting man, I think that low gets hit. I think you guys get this one, right? What are the chances that we leave a 5-minute low like that? We just turn and run the highs. Back down. Here we go, guys. Within a point. It's teasing you. It's teasing you. Let's see. Let's go. In for 4. We are the market makers. Yo, go. Easy money. Target. Can we do it? Can we do it? Coming back down. Rigged. Yassine said rigged mad times.
Order filled.
There we go, chat. Won the triple or nothing. Let's get the ducks loaded up, baby. W's in the chat. Nothing but wins for you guys. Let's go. We're running duck races. We're running hella duck races to acknowledge that this 50K Ignite automatic funded account is absolutely cooked. The ESS score will be absolutely impossible. Like we talked about, just having fun in this account. Guys, here's what I'm going to do for you. W's in the chat. Throw something in the chat if you want an entry into this race. Throw something in the chat. I'm going back. I'm looking at who voted. I'm manually entering you crazy degenerates into this one. We are can I do this? No, it's gonna take forever. All right, I'm gonna do like a 5-second form. Get ready, guys. Get ready. I'm not gonna manually enter. That's gonna take me forever. Hang on 1 second. We're gonna get a quick form going on. Straight W's for you guys. Crazy, man. So all we got to do is do crazy full port trades for power hour, and we can run accounts into profit. Insane, man. I think we might have to do a chat account. Not a house account, I think we have to do a chat account where we hop on for power hour every day, and you have to vote, and if you voted maybe on all of the trades or most of the trades, and you run the account into profit, we will to a payout. We'll donate it, or we'll run a duck race for multiple payouts or something. I don't know. We'll do something fun. All right, hang on, guys. I got a form coming. I said I was gonna just do it for names in the Discord. I mean in the chat, but it's gonna take me forever to actually enter it. So hang on 1 second. We got duck races coming. 3:45. We're not even to the end of power hour. Chat took multiple full port wins today. Absolutely insane. Incredible. Incredible you guys are. Who knew we had straight market makers in the chat? Who knew? Crazy. Crazy, crazy, crazy. All right. Here we go, guys. No likes, no nothing. 5 minutes. Form is in the chat. Form is in the chat. If you're on Kick, also, form is in the chat on Kick. Get it filled out. Go ahead and get it filled out. 5 minutes. At 3:50 p.m., I am cutting this form off. This is going to be quick. I'm going to use your YouTube username. You better be here to claim it if you win. We're running multiple duck races here. Multiple. Get ready, guys. You have the best odds of winning, I think, that you would ever have because we only have a few people here in chat. We literally only have 33 people on right now. Only 30 people watching. Yes. Right. 5 minutes. 5 minutes. 3:55. Get the form filled out. If you're over there on X and you want a chance at this, hop on YouTube. Real Deal Futures. Hop on YouTube. Form is in. Get the form filled out. We're going to run multiple duck races, guys. Let me see how many accounts I gave out this week and how many I can actually give out here. But I stuck my neck out. We're running 3. You guys went triple or nothing. We are going to run 3. Mad fun for Power Hour. God, crazy. Crazy. You guys taking wins left and right. Absolutely insane. It's today, Tuesday. I did one yesterday. Yeah. Got the big giveaway on Friday as well, guys. Got the big giveaway on Friday as well. Let's run it, guys. Let's run it. Let's go. Let's go. You guys got like 2 minutes left. 2 minutes left. Get the form filled out. I'm using your YouTube username, and you have to be here. You have to be here. You guys got literally 2 minutes. YouTube username, and you got to be here. I saw someone say stop this, but yeah, no, y'all seen. They're getting. Listen, bro, don't try it. Let me just. I'm gonna give you the fair warning. Don't fill it out more than one time. If you're an OG here, you make a mistake. Like I know about you. It's all right. There's been 2 people. Back to back. I got them out of Discord. I kicked them for the most part. They're going to be able to do it. If you do it, I'm telling you right now, I'm a good person, right, guys? I'm a decent person. I try to give everybody second chances. If you try to run the game on me, I promise you it's going to go poorly for you. If you trade with prop firms or software, it's not going to go well for you. Just don't do it. Don't do it. Not only are you not going to win, but I'm going to make sure that you have you learn a lesson from it. So don't do that. All right, guys. 60 seconds. 60 seconds to get the form filled out. If you're on here, giveaway form is in there. There's the trade long now for the Friday high. There you go. Let's see. Let's see. Done. There's more than 33 people. That's funny. Hey, Zach, I called the short thrice on the last one. I get 3 entries. No 3 entries. You guys crushed it today, though, man. Crushed it. All right. We're wrapping up here, guys. 5 seconds left before we run the giveaway. And we're done. No more responses. We have... Oh my God, you guys have great odds. You guys have great odds. Oh man, this is going to be fun. This is going to be fun. We're going to get some people funded here. Hang on one second. You guys have a 1 in 30 chance. Let's go. All right, guys. All right. We're running duck races. There's prior day high. Chat, you guys are on fire here, man. You guys are on fire. I don't even want to say it. I was going to do a quadruple or nothing, but I'm not going to do that to you guys. Eventually you won't hit it, and that won't be fun. All right, guys. 30 ducks in a row. 30 ducks in a row. Yeah, reading. No guessing. No guessing numbers. I don't know what that is. I call Pride Day High. Very nice. 4 or nothing. We would have chosen. Long. Have won that too. Yeah, maybe. I I mean, you guys are talking crazy. You want to run it? I don't know. You guys are talking wild. Like, I can make this next one big if you guys want to run power right into the last 10 minutes. If you want to full port it one more time, we could do it. Nah, we won't do it. We won't do it. Eventually, you're going to hit a stop loss. It's not going to be fun, man. All right. Listen, we got 30 ducks in a row. We are going to run the first one. This was for the chat calling out trades. We were full porting an account. You guys went back-to-back W's. You took one small stop out. You went 3-0 on ES. I think we have to open up I think we actually have to open up a chat account, and maybe we'll do it in a more structured way so you guys can like provide trade ideas. We'll do something really fun just by product of this stream. You guys doing well, and maybe we'll do something where you run it all the way up to a payout. We'll have fun with it. But anyway, I don't know if I'm able to do that. I'll probably get yelled at from prop firms and stuff. So I don't even know if you could do that in a live account without really breaking rules. But anyway, here we go, guys. This is for let me get it straight so we know what each race is for and we don't mix it up. This is for a 50K straight to funded pro account from Top 1 Futures. 50K straight to funded pro account from Top 1 Futures. Going to come directly from them. Here we go. 2 minutes on the clock. Let's run it. Can you move? Yeah, remove the banner. Hang on 1 second, guys. Hang on 1 second, chatty chat. There we go. 2 minutes on the clock. Let's see. Here, you can see if your duck's over there, down behind my name, right? Train with Luhan. Sometimes you guys don't see it. My face has to physically go somewhere, though. Sorry, guys. Let's see. Minute to go. I mean, it's a small group, guys. You got a great chance. 1 in 30. I mean, I don't know, man. If I was looking for an account, I'd hang out on my live stream, but I'm biased. What do I know? This is more stressful than trading. Let's see. Good, it should be. You're awesome for doing this for the community. I appreciate you guys. No, Purple Ninja said, no, bro, don't gamble. At least one of you was reasonable in the chat. I said triple or nothing. I thought maybe some of you would say, no, let's just run the race. All of you degenerates wanted to run it again. And obviously, you had some confidence in that short, man, because it played out very nicely. But I don't know, man. If I was on, I might have said no. All right, I wish my duck to win. Were you the vampire duck, Wolf? Yeah, you are the vampire duck. All right, let's see. 20 seconds on the clock. Relaxing Zen. We got some ducks slowing down here. Purple Ninja up front, currently in first place. Uh-oh. 11 seconds to go. Mini Trader. Oh, Purple Ninja hitting a stop loss. No. Relaxing Zen out of nowhere. Relaxing Zen. We got a Discord OG in the chat. Number 28. I need insurance to win. Give me the Aflac duck. Real D-Gen futures? No real D-Gen futures. Bottom tick short. Well done. There we go. W's in the chat for Relaxing Zen. Don't go anywhere, guys. Don't go anywhere. I said triple or nothing. I'm a man of my word. You guys are out of your mind. I think you know what I think we'll start to do. I think what I'll have to do is I'll get my hands on another account, and I'll call it like the giveaway account, right? And I'm marking this down before we run another one. And before we run a giveaway, right, we'll let you guys call out a trade. And if you hit, that'll be for a certain giveaway, and we'll have the chat vote if you guys want to keep running it. We'll do some more fun stuff like that. I think that's the most reasonable. But I probably can't realistically trade one all the way towards a payout without breaking some kind of rule, and I don't want to incentivize that. Straight to funded pro is going to Relaxing Zen. All right. Yes, we're gonna get you out of here. W's in the chat. We're running it again. You guys went triple or nothing. This one is going to be for $100. This one's going to be for $100 out of my own pocket. If you win this one, I'm going to vet you. I'm probably going to send it. I'll talk to you. I'll talk to you about how I'm going to send it. It's going to be for $100 or something worth 100 US dollars, around that level. But yeah, I've been trying to figure out a way to do this without getting in trouble with taxes by doing cash giveaways and stuff like that. So let me be like more vague on this. This is going to be worth 100 US dollars, and to the person that wins, we will handle it. And if you decide I don't handle it well, please air it out in the chat. But so far I haven't had a single person say I haven't handled these giveaways well. So $100 on the line. Let's run it. 2 minutes on the clock. We are off. Yeah, PayPal, uppy. Yeah, like crypto's cool, but crypto's sketchy. Like crypto's usually pretty cool. So, but I don't want to like say what I'm gonna do because then I'd stick my neck out too far. But yeah, if you like send a lot of stuff through like Venmo and PayPal and Zelle and stuff like that, like US stuff, you get flagged. They're like, "What the hell are you doing?" So we'll have to see. Wolf with the early lead. Wolf, what are you doing, bro? You got to tell your duck. You can't full port your duck right off the open, dude. We talked about this. This is crazy. Wolf with the vampire duck out front. Purple Ninja Facts down on the bottom. Allen looking really strong in the... It's a dragon costume duck, which is weird. It didn't even just make him a dragon duck. I don't know how to pronounce your guys' names up top. 27 looking strong. The pink duck looking strong. JB, another Discord OG. The the Viking duck looking pretty strong down on the bottom. Yassine Adams, I can see you. You're like an alien duck down in the middle there. Not to worry. I'll just hover around VWAP. Let's see. All right, guys, let's see what we can do. If you guys missed it, we didn't do any real trading this afternoon. We just full ported an account based on the chat's call outs, and they went straight W's. It's crazy. It's like $5,000 in an instant funded account that we're going to be able to do nothing with. All right, let's see. 18 seconds to go. Spida. I can't read this person's name. ADN X7. I don't know who this is. Holding strong. Trevor down the middle. Middle Doc to Rock looking really strong towards the end. Daily Tail out of nowhere. Oh, the Daily Tail out of nowhere. Another OG. Complete breakout into the end. Where are you at in chat? There you go. W. Right down on the bottom. You already called a W before you hit it. Daily Tail, hang on one second. Let me make sure I got your good contact information. Call it out. Don't go anywhere, guys. We're going to run another one. Hang on one second. Hang on one second. All right. Daily Tail, I have you as a Discord name. I got to make sure you're in Discord because I actually have to hit you on this one. Nah, you're not in Discord. What are you doing, dog? What are you doing, dog? I got an email for you, too. I'll hit you on an email, but it'd be cool if you had a Discord username that was accurate. So, I'm going to shoot you an email to the email that you provided. After this, we're going to run one more, but I want to make sure I can get a hold of the people that I really need to get a hold of. The giveaway accounts are easier. This is tougher. But it'd be a whole lot better if you had a Discord, my man. If you don't mess around with Discord, I can do it through email as well. All right. But don't worry about it. Wait, what? Wait a minute. Why'd you say it's not you? Daily Tail. What is your... You won. What is your... Okay, here. Wait. Daily Tail in chat. Hang on before we go anywhere. Before we go any further. All right. Daily Tail 14. What is your... Give me your first name or your email or something. Daily Tail. Give me an answer on this one. We're going to run the next, but why did you say that's not you? Yes. There's only one. No, Daily Tale's here all the time. You're here all the time. I don't know what that meant, though. Give me your name or your email or something. Let me know that this is actually you. Your first name or the first part of your email or your Discord username so I can hit you. All right. The Daily Tale. I can see you in chat, my man. You just won. Real quick. Give me your name or your email or something. Put it in the chat. You're not in the Discord. And you said something weird. So I want to make sure that I follow up with that. Because I actually have to get in contact with you after this. All right. I'm not going to waste any more time. We're going to run another one. Not the one that he just won. We're going to run the third one here. And I'm going to try to reach out to the person that's always here that's not answering in the chat. But we'll figure it out. I'm assuming you gave me a good email, but I don't really know. All right. This is for another account in the chat, not the daily. All right, cool. Good. Thank you. That's all I needed. Good. All right, wait. Why did you say I didn't win? Why'd you say that's not me? That's you. That's you. Yeah, okay. All right, we're all good. I don't know. You made a weird comment. No. Alan, it's usually, but that's what I needed. No, not on this one. Not on this one. All right. I'm really cautious of it now. Don't worry, guys. There's an additional follow-up. If I'm annoying when you win and I ask you a question or two to verify something, it's because we got scammers and impersonators. But we literally have 30 people in this. I know almost every single person that's on this list because you're in my chat or in the Discord every single day. There's probably only a small couple on here that I don't know. Joe, you said you're not in here. You're in here too, Joe. All right, let's go. This is for, I don't know what account this is going to be for, but it's going to be for a Top 1 Futures account. I don't know what I gave away already or what I'm giving away on Friday. So this is for a Top 1 Futures account. It's for some Top 1 Futures account. Bear with me. We gave away hella accounts. We gave away some cash. This one's going to be for another Top 1 Futures account. I don't know what it's going to be for, but you're going to win something here. You're going to win an account. 3, 2, 1. We're running it. Confusing. Yeah, no, it's all good. Yeah. I don't know. Somebody, if you say that's not me, I'm like, wait a minute. Is it you or not you? So that's you. Thank you. All right. There's only one. I can see you didn't fill it out multiple times. I needed to make sure you called out all the right information based on what you filled out. That's you. But hop in Discord, bro. You don't have to. I'm going to hit you an email. I have your email, but hop in the Discord. You're on the lives all the time. All right. Let's go. Alan. Yeah, the person. Yeah. No, Alan's looking out. My duck look hella good and cool. Let's see. Wolf. Bro, how are you in first place again, man? I'm telling you, you have to, like, the vampire duck is just full port in the open, is not going well. I don't know what to say. I just don't know what to say, man. I don't know when he's going to learn. Same duck, yeah. Yeah, Seeing Adams looking pretty strong down on the bottom. Levente, I don't know how to pronounce that in your names. I see Polly in the middle. Joe coming for first place. Joe Nolan in first place. Alan looking really strong. The duck in a costume. It's usually the come from behind guys. It's almost like a curse if you're out front too early. Most of these guys hit stop losses right into the end of the day. All right, 30 seconds. Again, this is for an undecided Top 1 Futures account. I'll hit you up. We'll get you funded with something. All right. Mildoc Churrock looking really strong. JB Wolf down on the bottom. Wolf actually holding here. Finally holding. Oh, stopped out again. All right, who's coming out of nowhere? Who is this? Uh-oh. I don't know what the hell this name is. If you're in the chat, say what's up. Let me see who this actually is. What's going on, bro? I have no idea how to pronounce your name. Idar, I think that's what it is. It's Idar, and then your last name, because I could see based on the other information. Congrats, W's in the chat for Idar, the number 27 cucumber on the eyes, duck. It's like the girl with their head thing, you know, right? Like doing her makeup and stuff. Where you at in the chat? W's. Let's see. Oh, I'm in the Discord since day one. Oh, are you? Ah, there you go. Awesome. Yeah. My bad, man. Oh, because you put your Discord, you put your, I see what you actually did here. I got you. We're good. All right. W's in the chat for Idar. Congrats. We ran 3 giveaways today, but more. There you are. Hello for Norway. First time winner. There we go. W's in the chat. If you guys missed it, we finished out this session with a lot of fun. Let me get rid of this. We finished out this session with a lot of fun. You guys put, what did I start this with? $1,000. You guys put $3,200 into a 50K account in a couple minutes here trading ES. We're probably going to do something fun. This was very entertaining, and while I don't think it was any display of good trading, it was fun to do. And I even gave you guys the option to continue trading, and you went for it, triple or nothing, and you actually took the W. So well done to you guys. Hella W's in the chat for you. Very fun. We'll see what fun thing I can come up with. If you want in on more giveaways before you go, we got a big one running in the free Discord. Anybody that shares their trading journey transparently every single dang day gets ranked up in the Discord, and we're going to run a big-ass giveaway on Friday in the Discord. Shout out to everybody that was on here. Super fun. I love doing the giveaways. Always fun. Everybody saying thanks in the chat. Appreciate you guys. Hop in the Discord if you're not already. You can get another no purchase entry. Most people are asking you to use their code. Most people have hundreds or thousands of people on their streams. I had 30. You guys had a 1 in 30 chance, and we ran 3 races. Very good odds to win. Anyway, guys, super fun. Thanks for hanging out. Don't take anything that you saw on this stream seriously at all. Outside of that, as always, the main disclaimer, trading's risky. Most traders do lose money. I'm not a financial advisor. I do not provide financial advice. Let me get the banner back up here. That's the wrong one. That's the right one. I don't provide financial advice. Nothing I say or do is suggestion or recommendation to do anything at all. Make sure you do your own research. Make your own trading decisions. Read CFTC Rule 4.41 on simulated trading, which is what this is, even in funded prop from accounts, and the affiliate and partnership disclaimer that says I stand to make money from links and codes in my content, like Top 1 Futures, code RDF, Bookmap, and others. And on that note, if you want to trade the instant funded accounts that I'm trading here with you guys now, live every day, going to be looking to put some profit in these bad boys. Here they are, right here. Thanks for being here, guys. Super fun. To the guys that won the giveaways, chill out for a little bit. I'll hit you up after this stream. Talk to you guys soon. Have a great rest.